Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back again. We're here guys, Mombasa. Yeah, but we are not in Mombasa. This is Korea. We're here guys. Yeah, we are here. So yes. So guys, this is a connection of the machine, that is the tractor, and this one is normally used for cows, this one, but now it's connected because you can't use that to do a shamba of sweet potatoes with a big this big one here. So you have to connect it from here to here. So this is what you are going to see guys. The experience that we are going to see here is very So this one, as I told you, this one is all this one is for the cows, this one, and the other one is normally done for so so we are at work guys here. This is work here. People are planting also over there. Yeah, people are planting.
We're going to show them how we tendering with the tinga.
Tendering
with the tinga.
Tendering.
We want to tender.
Oh, to tender.
We wake mikok.
Oh, so you know this one you can't use this heavy jembe. So you use the other one for the cows.
Collecting the udongo and this counting the mustari.
Oh, the mustari. Yeah. So guys, this is what is done here. Normally in the village, when you want to plant some sweet potatoes, this is how it's done normally. So instead of using cows, we use these. You use these, and yeah, you use that, and also the one of cows, because this one is recommendable for that. Yeah, so this is Uncle kidogo. Yeah, so
you want tight, so when you are doing it,
yeah, so that is how it's really done when you want to do it very fast, you know. And everyone right now is running with time, so everyone wants everything to run very fast. We use like 1 hour or 2 hours. Or less, 1 hour or less or more. So yeah, it has to go fast. When you use the normal way of cows, it's very much like costly, and also it will take you a lot of time to finish this place. It's so big, it's a Neka plus. So when you use cows, maybe 1 week, I believe, or I think 1 week. So but creativity has come guys. This is creativity, I can say. So they use another method of planting of the sweet potatoes. So let's see how it's going on guys. Yeah, let's see how it will go. Yes. You see, normal village way of easy work here. Yes, so this one will take us a few minutes. Ng'ombe. Yeah. So you see, he's going to follow the track over there. He's going to follow the track. Instructions are down here, so they don't have to be on the left, on the right. So I think information is home. Yeah. So we don't know if they will be able to do with this. This is how they tighten it in a normal way, just a normal way. Guys, I don't know where you're watching me from, if this is what you do, but here in the village, normally this is what you do. Yeah. Maja underscore KE.
Maja
underscore KE. Hello. Underscore KE. Underscore KE. Ukiandika tu Maja itakuleta. Yeah. So we have a subscriber there who wants to also subscribe to our channel, guys. We are growing from scratch. So as I was telling you, I don't know if this is what you do in your village. In your village, if you have a village over there and you do this, so you will tell us. Twende uncle. Twende nalo. Yeah, so yesterday it was heavily raining also, but we managed to do some work. Yeah, God is good. And today we are here also again. Yeah, this is a very big farm. Uncle, approximately
2.5 AC. 2.5 acres.
How many hours?
The next like 1 hour 30 minutes. I'm done.
1 hour 30 minutes. Let's go, guys. Hey, we are not the next hour. The next 1 hour 30 minutes, we are done. Yeah. So this is how it's done. See? This is how the cows plow. That's how the tractor plows. Slowly, pole. Yeah. So guys, we are following these steps. Actually, we are learning more. So instead of using cows, because cows will take long, but for here it will be easy using the tractor. But the fuel also. So we have a machete here. So that is how it's done, guys. And this is what we do in the village. Yeah. Yeah, so this is the village hustle and life. You see? Pole pole. Pole pole. Yeah. So you know this has very heavy power. So with someone behind here has to balance also whatever is done. So yeah. Pole pole. Pole pole. Pole pole. Pole pole. Yeah. So you have also to clean after, yeah. Woo! Guys, whatever what you from, leave us a comment down section so that you can know if you do this in your village. Yeah, this is what you have never seen on camera actually. This is what you have never seen. I believe that. I believe. You see? This is what you have never seen on camera. This is manpower. Yeah, the power is up. This is what you have never seen on camera, guys. Wow. Huh? From the other end to this end, this is what we have done. Yeah. So, yeah, manpower. And you know, this is very strong. This is used also to, maybe when you are stuck somewhere with a car or in a ditch with a car, to move you back. What? Umekatika? Huh? Oh, yeah. So, yeah, guys, this is the challenges that we get. Let's see how we can fix. Yeah, so guys, normally this is how it's done in the village. Yeah, this is how you really have to do whenever you're in the village. So I don't know if wherever you're watching from, you do also this, or you have manual things to work, like yeah, you see. So yeah, so this is how the farm is done. Very clean, very clean, very clean. Can you kidogo kidogo? Aya.
Weka kwa juu. Kenapa? Iya.
We have to go up here.
Juu. Juu hapa uona baraka huko. Juu. Simama hapo sasa, upeleke kwenda huko jembe. Jembe kwa juu. Hivyo. Hivi. Sasa lime kwa mtaro, umo kwa mtaro. Lime kwa mtaro tu. Control kwa mtaro. Kwa mtaro tu, kwa mtaro ndani. Enda chini, jembe uiraza kuja juu. Hivi. Hivyo. Lime mtaro. Hivyo tu tunakienda, haujaonekana hapa. Juu kabisa. Ukikote na hapo. Ura yangu. Tuende pole pole, shida yako nini? Tuko mstari humo ndani. Wewe mstari humo ndani tu.
Yeah, so that is how it is, guys.